Hi there. In this lecture, you'll learn all about setting up your business policies. Just like in a regular physical business where you have a store, that you have business policies, so too in eBay. When you run a business, you need to be consistent. You do things in a certain way all the time. Customers will be able to have the proper expectations, and they'll know when you can be relied upon. And also, if they have complaints, things will be clear when they are right and when you are right. So for example, in eBay, there are policies for shipping, payment, and returns. And we'll learn all about it partly in this lecture and in more detail in the following lectures. eBay, in fact, until now, used to have what is called business policies, standardized business policies, where you set them up once in your account and it works for every single listing from then on. I'm not completely sure that the business policies in the eBay system still work as they used to in the past. If they do, then this is what I'm going to explain to you. If not, I would suggest phoning eBay and ask them to set up your business policies that at least should be open for editing. Once it is opening for editing, then you go into your account, My eBay account, business policies, and that'll take you to where you have your standardized business policies which you use for all your listings. In general, I would suggest you make a separate business policy for drop shipping items and a separate one for items which you send yourself or through your suppliers which are not drop shipping. That's because you have different policies concerning returns, concerning how long it takes you to ship. If you're shipping something from your house, maybe you can do it in one day. But if you're doing drop shipping, you might have to commit yourself in a different way. If at the time of you seeing this video, eBay will not provide business policies, then you're simply going to have to set up each listing one by one in the way which I will explain in the coming lectures. However, whether business policies are automated or you need to do them every single listing by themselves, I strongly suggest that you create a business policy template. That means within the listing itself, where you write the description of the item, you will also write what you are committing yourself to when you sell an item. Payment, shipping, and returns, and have this written as text within every single listing automatically. What I will explain in the coming lectures are how to set up in the system, so not only will the customer read it on your listing, but eBay will know that that is what you are committed to. And we will discuss it in detail in the following lectures. That's it for the introduction to business policies.